Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will tell you about 7 steps to writing the perfect project proposal. I'm Gozal Maksum with my partner Mardiansa Ramadan Rehan and Agung Budi Saputra. In this guide, we'll talk about what a proposal project is, why you need one, and how to write a proposal the bosses will notice. Forward, project proposal are the initial step to get the project off the ground. Here, we outline how to write an effective proposal to keep your project on track. So, what is a proposal project? A project proposal is a document that outlines everything stakeholder need to know to initiate a project. It's a necessary first step towards getting a project off the ground. A project proposal is usually selected during the project intake process. It follows conventional proposal format that include the following elements. The first, executive summary. Second, background or history. Third, recruitment. Fourth, solution. Fifth, author- authorization. And sixth, appendix.
And a content steps to writing your own project proposal. First, define the problem. Second, present your solution. Third, define your deliverables and success criteria. Fourth, state your plan or approach. Fifth, outline your project schedule and budget. Sixth, tie it all together. And seventh, edit or proofread your proposal. Before you writing a proposal for a project, before you sit down and begin writing your project proposal outline, there are some things you must consider. Before you writing a proposal for a project, your audience identify who the decision makers are and determine the relationship between them. Potential pitfall, in essence, certain projects fail to receive the green light, not because they are bad project per se, but because the proposal lacked clarity and persuasiveness. Data and research. You need facts, figure, graphs, and charts to substantiate your proposal and justify the project existence.
How to write a project proposal. Remember that the reason you are writing a proposal is to obtain executive buy-in. You want key people to support your project. You need decision makers on your side to turn a vision into reality. How to write a project proposal? Step 1. Define the problem. What's the problem your project is trying to address? Why is it a problem? Why is it worth solving? Make your audience see the problem the way you see it. Tips for defining the problem. Number 1, start strong. 2, use facts, not opinion. Step 2, present your solution. How will your project solve the problem? Why is your solution the better option over the similar solution? Discuss why other solution won't work for the situation. Tips for presenting your solution. Number one, anticipate questions and objections. Number two, present the solution's larger impact. How to write a project proposal. Step 3. Define your deliverables and success criteria. These sections provides a picture of the functions and attributes of the deliverable, plus how to know if the project is successful. Tips for defining deliverables. Number one, include a delivery date. Number two, your solution must be smart. Step 4, state your plan or approach. This is the most critical section of the proposal and discuss how to achieve the project objective. Tips for planning. Number one, introduce the project strategies. And number two, explain how problems will be addressed.
Budi baca Budi.
How to write a project proposal. Step 5. Outline your schedule and budget. This is the section where you break down project costs and detail how you will meet deadlines. Tips for defining a schedule and budget. Number one, provide as much detail as possible. And number two, be concentrated. Step 6. Tie it all together. End your proposal with a conclusion that briefly summarizes the problem, solutions, and benefits. Tips for tying everything together. Number one, your proposal should read like a book. Number two, refrain from introducing anything that doesn't fit. And number three, make sure all project proposal elements are present. Step 7. Edit or proofread your proposal. Rewrite your proposal as necessary to make it interesting, helpful, clear, and persuasive. Tips for editing. Check the tone and language.
Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.